Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a ripple effect to captions or subtitles in CapCut. So here I already import a video with conversation on it, and I want to add a ripple effect to the captions. So first, I'm going to use the auto caption features to add the subtitles. Okay, so just wait until the auto captions feature apply to the clip. Okay, so it's done, and now to create the ripple effect, you just need to click on one of the captions and go to animation, and in here click on the caption tab. Then you just need to scroll down until you find ripple option. Okay, this one, click on that, and just like that, the ripple effect has been created to the captions. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.